Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Data by Tanish, and in this video we are going to understand what exactly Microsoft Power Platform is. So before going into that, let's understand the requirement of today's businesses. Businesses required solutions, but also the faster solutions. They do not want to go with the older cycles. So let's understand in that way. If you want to make an application, make the automations and the analytical analytics on top of it, if you go with the traditional format, it will take time, technical expertise, as well as the money. So what if I tell you you have an tools and this set of solution that can help you around to make the faster solutions? So here Microsoft Power Platform comes into the picture. So without wasting time, let's go inside and what exactly Microsoft Power Platform is. So Microsoft Power Platform is a low-code suite of tools designed to help business build custom applications, automate workflows, analyze data, and create intelligent solutions without requiring extensive coding knowledge. So in today's world of AI, you do not need to write and type each and everything in the codes. So here there are several tools which are pre-created that helps you out, which makes your work more faster. Microsoft had built several such tools such as Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate, but that all tools were very much into the distributed format. But there comes all into the one ecosystem. Okay, so they all are the part of Microsoft. So what Microsoft did is they made an umbrella of all this data set. They collected all the tools, made an umbrella on top of it, and they called that whole thing as in Microsoft Power Platform and brought all of this tool into the single platform. So there are in total of 5 tools which comes inside the Microsoft Power Platform, and let's see how it helps in today's day-to-day business. Also, this Microsoft Power Platform is the hot topic in the today's corporate world, also into the different businesses which people uses or people does. So the first tool which we have is Microsoft Power BI. Microsoft Power BI is a business intelligence and the data visualization tool from Microsoft that helps you turn raw data into interactive reports and dashboards. So let's understand in this for way, like if I am a business owner and or any other stakeholder, they I do not have time to go into each of the data sets, put my logics, think on it, make an Excel sheets. So what thing which is more important to me is my time. So Microsoft Power BI comes here into the help. They get the raw data, they make the transformation pipelines, the whole data set gets transformed into the golden records, and then on top of that golden record we create a visualization that are also the drag and drop format, which has made by the Microsoft Power BI, and it's very much easier to build now different visualization and build the storyline out of it. So understand in that way, if I am a sales marketing head, so I'll need to see what are my sales in last 5 years, how we are improving, what are the things which helps me improve my sales. So all this coming into the one dashboard is the place where Microsoft Power BI helps. So this is a broader picture of what Microsoft Power BI is. Moving to the next tool, we have the Microsoft Power Apps. Microsoft Power Apps is a low-code application development platform by Microsoft that allows user to quickly build custom business application for web and mobile devices with minimal coding. So this is a drag and drop platform built by Microsoft. This is the place where you can create the web pages or the mobile applications, but this is the restricted to the organization itself. So suppose I am a big company, I have different departments in my company. There is an HR department, there is an IT department, there are different departments. So I want a CRM software, I want different management softwares which can help organize my organization. So here Power Apps comes into the picture, which helps you create a faster application which you can host into the Microsoft Azure apps. And this is the place which helps you to create the web applications into the faster format. You can connect different data set in the background, you can make visualizations on top of it. Moving to the next, we have Microsoft Power Automate. So Microsoft Power Automate is the Microsoft low code tool that helps you automate repetitive tasks and workflows by connecting apps, data, and services without writing complex code. So understand in that way, there are several repetitive tasks. So Microsoft gives you an option to create an agent on your behalf, which triggers every morning or on the certain event, it triggers and complete its flow and do your task. So now suppose I want to refresh my data set in Power BI every day morning. I cannot go over there and simply click every day morning refresh button. Here Power Automate, we can create a flow which goes every day morning 6 a.m. and triggers the refresh button for you. You have a task, suppose you want to send an email across the organization to different people every day morning. So Microsoft Power Automate helps you do that also. There are several triggers or the task which needs to be completed. Suppose I want them to make an approval system into the organization. Suppose I want to ask for something and that should go to the approval to my manager, then above him. So there is a whole approval process. So this all are called the different flows, and this all flows can be built in Power Automate. Moving next, we have the Microsoft Power Pages. So Power Pages is designed for creating external facing websites that allows users such as customers, partners, or community members to interact with business data. So Power Pages is again the same drag and drop functionality, and it's also a recently added stack into the Microsoft Power Platform. So here, what Power Pages is, so you are also given an AI option where you can type a prompt of what exactly your requirement is, what you want in the web application, and it will generate the whole web page for you. You can do the coding inside of that. You can have also extract the codes generated by the Power Pages. So as we saw in Power Apps, it was restricted to the organization level. Here we can host this Power Pages application into any environment and we can share it with the outside of the organization. So now consider it, if I am a brand and I want to make my brand page or my personal website, and I want to give an open link for the users or the customers. So Power Pages comes into their help, and you can create your own website into the faster format, and that's the place where you create the applications or the web pages and share it with the users or the customers. Next, we have Microsoft Copilot Studio. It is a low code tool used to create AI powered conversational agents. So now we have the Power Pages and Power Apps as an application where you have certain CRM softwares that save the data sets. Okay. Now what happens is, sometimes in today's time, to save my time, I want a chatbot. So Microsoft Power BI is restricted to certain storyline or the certain charts which I am displaying as a developer over there. But what if I want to have a separate questions every time? I want to have a different answers. I want to get different answers from my data set. So here Copilot Studio helps me out. I can build an AI agent on top of my data set, which will go and search inside my data set and bring me the right answer after framing it. So it's kind of same as a chat GPT, but it's on top of your data sets, and it can answers on the basis of your data sets and give you the figuring out of your same as the conversational bots. So this is the what Microsoft Copilot Studio is. Moving next, so here are the summarized format of all the tools which we saw, which are coming into the Microsoft Power Platform ecosystem. But there are some more functionalities which helps all of this stay together, stay connected into the single ecosystem. So there is the first one is the data connectors. Data connectors is the gateway to the different data set. Now I am a company, I have my data set in my SQL server, AWS cloud, Microsoft blob storage, etc. Many different data storage places we have, right? So this is a gateway connector where you directly need to select which database you want to connect. You will get the options to type the credentials, and this will give you the direct access into the secured format for to the all of the applications which we understood, all of the tools which we understood. It works and work as a gateway to the different data set. Now there is a part where it comes as an AI builder. AI builder is a platform which has several pre-built AI ML models. So on this AI builder tool, you can have your own AI ML models. You can use pre-built AI ML models, and this is specifically made in that format where your ML model works into very faster format. And also you can integrate your ML model, host it over here, and connect to the Power Apps, Power Pages, etc. Moving next, we have the last is Dataverse. So now when all of these things comes in single ecosystem, you also need a storage space, right? You need a If suppose I am a new organization, I want to be in the Microsoft Power Platform ecosystem, and I haven't bought any of the storage workspaces or the tools such as AWS, Blob Storage, etc. I can directly use the utility of Dataverse. So this is a SaaS platform which allows you to store any kind of data, structured, unstructured, audio files, video files, etc. You can save everything into the Dataverse and use that data sets or make a golden records over here. Use this into your any of your application over here. So this is the whole ecosystem, foolproof ecosystem of Microsoft given by Microsoft. I hope this video was helpful for you and you understand it well. Thanks and have a nice day.